Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. Beware the dangers of hair greed. This dude is was an Army, tough guy, and he's a monster.
I know, he is.
And he's kind of wimpy.
Well, the bigger they are.
He's a power lifter. I mean, he lifts unbelievable amounts of weight. And he's got a wife.
Admits it. He admits it.
He's got a short wife that orders him around. And here he is beforehand. And so we did a case on him. You guys might remember him before it because he's a guy that didn't clean at all because he said it hurt too much to clean. And we ended up doing another little case on him to tune him up. So he had a case and then he had a little tune-up. And now he's 44 months out from his first case. And he comes in here, he looks like this. And
I know. I said, wow.
Yeah, you forgot what he looked like.
Yes, I did.
And his wife thinks he's crazy about his hair. And he wants to do a little bit more. And so, man, where are you going to put hair on that dude's head? It looks pretty good. But suffice to say, this video's shot 1 week after he got his third case, and we did find room for about 700 more grafts that he did not really need, but he was adamant that he wanted that, and so he'll look a little thicker on these two corners, and maybe 2 spots here, and maybe 1 spot right in here. And I made that guy come every day to get cleaned. And here's a picture on Christmas Day of me cleaning. The fellow that just did the walk-in video, another fellow, this guy, and my dog. And we're down here on Christmas morning at 9 o'clock sharp doing the cleaning so that it wouldn't be any trouble. So, he didn't need any more hair.
And he did say. He didn't say, but he went.
But
he knows he didn't need it, but he wanted it.
He wanted it. And so we tried not to do anything stupid, which means we didn't lower his hairline or do something. He looked fine now, and he'll look a little finer 13 months from now. But be cautious. You could easily be sold something by the unscrupulous doctor to give you 3,000 grafts to kind of plumpen everything up, and that would just be a disaster. If we can help you, give us a call.